Naman gagawin na natin ang ating kwek-kwek. Let's go! Ingredients na kailangan natin, all-purpose flour, 1 cup. Okay. Next is cornstarch, 1/4 cup. Is 1 teaspoon baking powder. And 1 teaspoon salt. And 3/4 cup of water. Yes. Lastly guys, our food color. Mix na natin to insan. Ito na yung finished product natin guys. At next na natin ihahalo ang ating quail eggs. So dito nakadilata na yung ating mga quail eggs. Hindi ka na mahirapang magbalat dahil nakabalat na siya. Parang ganito guys. Okay, let's go. Let's lalagyan na natin ang ating mga quail egg sa ating all-purpose flour. Bago natin ihuhulog sa ating mixture. Okay guys, ito na ang ating kwek-kwek.
Natakam kayo, no? So, ito na guys ang finished product. Taste test na natin. Let's go! Samahan pa natin ng spaghetti. Dito ko natatapusin guys. Thank you for watching my vlog. Bye-bye!